Good day, guys. A friend of mine brought his 2002 Landcruiser, and he asked if we can design our PnPduino ECU for this engine. So this engine is the 1FZFE. It's a 4.5 liter inline 6. This is a generation 2, so there's no distributor. It has 3 coils. This is from 1998 up to 2007. From 2003, the ECU is different. This is the original ECU, 1FZFE, and this is a 64 pin, 3 plugs. So what we did is we used our PnPduino Universal and made an adapter harness so that it connects to the OEM plugs. But we already designed the ECU, which is a 100% plug and play, so this will not be used, and it will be exactly connected to the ECU plugs. Eventually the PnPduino 1FZ will become like this, which is 100% plug and play. So let's start the engine using the Universal. And I turn off the AC. Okay, let's drive.